In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gallery in BigCommerce. We're going to keep this simple and reliable. The idea is to create a gallery with a trusted widget provider, grab the embed code they generate, and place it exactly where you want it in your BigCommerce store. This works nicely for your homepage, a custom content page, or even inside a product description. First, head to a widget or app provider's website such as POWR, Elfsight, or Common Ninja. Create a new gallery and upload the images you want to showcase. As you build, choose the layout that fits your store's look: grid, masonry, carousel, or slideshow. Set your thumbnail style and decide whether you want a lightbox to open when visitors click an image, or if you prefer an automatic slideshow. Take a moment to name your gallery and add concise alt text to images for accessibility and SEO. If possible, compress large images to keep your pages loading fast. Once your gallery looks the way you want, save it and copy the embed code the service provides. This is usually a short HTML or JavaScript snippet. Keep it handy in a plain text note so it doesn't pick up extra formatting. Now switch to your BigCommerce admin and open the page where you want the gallery to appear. This could be the home page, a custom content page you've created, or a specific product where the gallery belongs in the description. Open the content area for that page and locate the HTML or source code view. Toggle into that view so you can place the code precisely. Paste the embed snippet exactly where you want the gallery to render. If your theme or page builder includes a custom HTML block, you can add the code there as well. Placement matters. Paste it at the spot you want the gallery to show up in the flow of the content. Avoid pasting inside unwanted tags and make sure you're truly in source mode so the code isn't treated as plain text. Save your changes and publish the page. Then preview it on the storefront. You should see your gallery with the images, layout, and lightbox or slideshow behavior you configured. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try a private window. Double-check that the code was added in the HTML view and that no extra characters were introduced. That's it. Create the gallery, copy the code, paste it into the page's HTML, and publish. With that, your BigCommerce store gets a polished, interactive image gallery in just a few minutes.